Everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to more Stubbs The Zombie. In the last episode, I couldn't get in the stupid room. I'm in here now, and I just ran in here. I didn't bother killing the last wave of people because it was like nearly impossible. But I'm in here now, which is all good. Ow! What is your problem, chickie? Oh god, there's like 3 of them there. Here, have a liver, guys. Kaboom. No, you're bad. Bad militia. Bad hillbilly militia. Alright, let's go upstairs. What are you doing, guys? No, you gotta die. You gotta die too. And so do you. Ow, that stupid chick behind me is hitting me. There we go. Let's go this way. Rawr, I'm a zombie, rawr. Rawr, I'm a zombie. Rawr. We're in the mall, guys. We're in the mall. Hey, dude. Alright. Come here. You're gonna die one way or another. There we go, you're dead. Alright, I think I got all of them on this side. So now we need to cross into the outer loop where there's more people. So this way first. And there's actually a boss on this in this building. He's a little bit higher up, I think. I don't know how to get to the higher level, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I don't remember how to get to the higher level. Oh wait, I think over here. Over here, we have to go through there. So, let's go over here and take care of these guys first. Zombie over there! Zombie, zombie, zombie! Ow! Holy shit! Alright. Oh, hi guys, what's going on? Have a liver. Kaboom. It's a zombie, roar, zombie. Okay, let's go upstairs. Up the stairs we go, up the stairs we go, do 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 do, up the stairs we go. This is not really a stairs, it's more of a ramp. This is really, really bad. Come here, dude. Come here. Oh god, a lot of you. Hi guys. Bye guys. Kaboom. Come here. You guys are next. You first. Okay, you're dead. Guy with a gun. Come here. Oh god, jump. Ow. Ow. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Do we have to go up another level, maybe? Possibly. There's more people over there we need on our side, so let's go get them really quickly. I'm not a zombie, I'm a person just like you. Hey bitch, don't do that. What was your problem? Dudes, why are there so many of you in a group? Survival is not in numbers, it's in guns. Ow! Dude, one of my zombies is gonna get you from behind and it's gonna be funny. Hey, what is your problem, boy? Oh no, my brain! Oh no! Okay, do we go in here? It looks that way. Alright, up the stairs we go again. Whee! We're in the mall, guys. This is so much fun. Little shootist. And this is the first boss of the game.
I'll be in the truck. You finish him off.
He's got a chainsaw. Oh god. Now this is the first boss that I died on like 100 bajillion times with my boyfriend. Because I'm not sure if you noticed, but he has a chainsaw. So he's not going to be the easiest in the world to beat because if you get too close to him, he doesn't want to do anything other than kill you with a chainsaw. And that's not good because he will kill you with a chainsaw. God, he's so stupid. Come here. Come here. Here. Run! Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Dummy. Ow. Ow. I'm not dead yet. I don't know what you're over there cheering about, bro. That's alright. You just stay over there. It's okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, fatty. Come on, fatty. Oh my god, this is retarded. Come on, fatty. Come on, fatty. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh god, get away, get away, get away, get away. Run, 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 run. Need more health. Come on, health, regenerate. Regenerate. Yeah. Ow, stupid. Try it again. Ow! Oh god, run, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. This is retarded. This is retarded, I'm almost dead. I don't want to die. Come on, dude. Ow. Dude, suck a butt. No! No, 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 no. Ow! What the hell is your problem, bro? You should be almost dead, I hope. Run, 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 run! Run, 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 boy, run! Ow. Yeah, I got his arm. Ow, run. I got his arm. 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 Yeah. Got your arm. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Ow, that hurt. I'm beating him with his own arm. That's funny. Come on, dude. Dude, this guy sucks butt. Ow. Dude, you wanna go? I have an arm, which I did not want to use. Damn it. No. B. Cancel! I'm gonna die. Oh god. Because of my stupidity, I'm gonna die. Oh god. Here, kill the arm. Kill the arm. Kill the arm. Kill the arm. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for killing the arm. Run, 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 run. I wanted to throw my head and make it go boom, but I hit the wrong button. Come on, dude. Come on. Ow. Oh god. Boom, boom. Keep running! Oh no, keep running! Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Oh no. No, no, no. They got me. How you like this? Ow. Ow. Yeah, do some stupid cheering, because I'm going to throw my head at you and it's going to explode and it's going to be funny. Yeah. How you like them apples? Come on, bro. Come on, bro, Chacho. Come on, keep after me. You can't catch me. Ha 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 ha. Nom 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 nom, I win. How do you like those freaking apples?
That numbskull's been in there too dang long. Well, he can hoof it back to the farm.
Come back here, bozo. Aw.
Come on now. Old Otis is in a hurry. I know you won't fail me, old trusty iron steed.
I think trusty iron steed's gonna fail you. Aw, really? You hit me with a car. That wasn't very nice. Oh god, the next level is my favorite. It's the hillbilly level, guys! We get to go on a farm! It's gonna be so much fun! Oh my god, yay! Range. Ooh, sneaky, sneaky.
Red alert! The final reckoning! The fourth trumpet! Low deadly black-hearted brain eaters from beyond the grave! A worldwide eternal Frankenstein living death slavery!
Let me in the farm! Let me in! Let me in! When in doubt, light another cigarette. Holy shit, man. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and wrap this episode up. If you guys like to support me, if you guys like to see more Stubbs the Zombie, remember to leave likes, comments, and favorites. All that stuff really does help me and I really appreciate it. In the next episode, we are going to mess some stuffs up on this farm. So until then, I'll see you guys very, very soon with more of Stubbs the Zombie. Bye guys!